It's the Aam Aadmi Party versus the BJP is a battle, with the BJP there doubling down on Sheesh Mahal. The BJP has slammed the Aam Aadmi Party over the CAG report with the massive cost of inflation as far as the chief of the Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal, is concerned. The BJP is demanding an account of the expenses. The CAG had raised 139 questions is what the BJP has gone on to claim. The Prime Minister had also said that the Aam Aadmi Party, this is the focus as far as the Mahal of is concerned. And now Kejriwal hitting back there that the Prime Minister is out there to in fact hit out at the Aam Aadmi Party. Let's just listen into what the BJP chief in Delhi, Virendra Sachdeva, had to say.
We are being joined by Delhi BJP President Mr. Virendra Sachdeva. During his press conference, the Delhi BJP has even brought out this large model of Sheesh Mahal, the house of ex-Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Let's go straight to him. Sir, जिस तरीके से देखा जा रहा है, आपने कैग के कुछ रिपोर्ट का हवाला दिया है. आपने बताया है कि जिस तरीके से कैग के रिपोर्ट्स आए हैं वो 2022 तक के ही हैं और उसमें बहुत सारी इरेगुलरिटीज़ हैं. और ये भी आपने बताया है कि इसमें जो इन्वेंटरी है अगर उसको ऐड कर दिया जाए तो कई लाख और जो करोड़ों रुपए जो है वो उसमें बढ़ जाते हैं.
देखिए, कैग की जो पहली रिपोर्ट आई है वो 2022 तक की है. उसमें कई सारे सवाल अरविंद केजरीवाल और पीडब्ल्यूडी डिपार्टमेंट से पूछे गए हैं. उसमें 139 सवाल तो इसी बात के लिए पूछे गए हैं कि इतना बड़ा आलीशान बंगला बनाने के लिए आपने परमिशन किससे ली है. हर व्यक्ति को उसकी कैटेगरी के हिसाब से मकान अलॉट किया जाता है. अरविंद केजरीवाल से पहले मदन लाल खुराना, साहिब सिंह वर्मा, शीला दीक्षित सब किसी न किसी बंगले में रहे हैं. लेकिन अरविंद केजरीवाल को भ्रष्टाचार की इतनी भूख थी, इतना बड़ा आलीशान बंगला बनाते हैं और उस बंगले पर अवैध रूप से बिना सैंक्शन ऑर्डर लिए बार बार पीडब्ल्यूडी से उसमें कंस्ट्रक्शन का काम बढ़ाया जाता है. अभी आप उनका बंगला दिखा रही हैं, ये कारें दिखा रही हैं. मैं इसमें मिसिंग कर रहा हूँ, वो ब्लू वैगन आर दिखाई नहीं दे रही अरविंद केजरीवाल की, जिसे लेके वो घूमते थे. लेकिन गाड़ी नहीं लेने वाले आज 4-4, 6-6 गाड़ियों के मालिक हैं. इस बंगले को बनाते समय जिस तरह से भ्रष्टाचार किया गया है, ये 2022 तक की सीएजी की रिपोर्ट बता रही है.
Right, Anushka joining us to get us more on this. Anushka, take us through this new war of words when it comes to the BJP making claims as far as the residence of the ex-Chief Minister of Delhi is concerned, claiming that there was a massive cost inflation when it came to that residence of Arvind Kejriwal in the civil lines area of Delhi.
Well, certainly, Divya, the Delhi BJP has once again confronted the Aam Aadmi Party over the construction of the posh bungalow of ex-Chief Minister that is situated at 6 Flagstaff Road, and has said that the average estimate has been given around 33.66 crores, but the original figure goes beyond that. And he has also in fact mentioned that the whole construction, if we add everything the inventory states, the construction figure goes to about 75 to 80 crores. Now, also the first revelation, according to the Delhi BJP, that the CAG report makes is that the PWD, that is the government agency, rather than working as a government agency, was working as a private contractor for the Kejriwal government, and it is a clear matter of give and take between both the Arvind Kejriwal's government and the authority, the PWD. Also on page number 139, what the CAG report is raising question is regarding the construction of this bungalow without the approval of DUAC and Delhi Municipal Corporation. And also, if we want to estimate the actual cost of this bungalow, it will require an audit of several departments' accounts and adding the inventory created by PWD on October 11, 2024. Now, they have clearly mentioned, the Delhi BJP, is that the CAG report only states the data till 2022. A lot of renovations were made, a lot of beautification was done, and also Arvind Kejriwal, according to his category, was allotted a bungalow in which he additionally spent a lot of money to rebuild that bungalow. A posh mansion was created at the behest of public's money, public's tax money. And also the BJP has said that Arvind Kejriwal is in fact guilty of every person who put their faith on Anna Hazare, and has also said that all of the money that was involved, all the private contractors, all the players who were involved in building that whole Sheesh Mahal are in fact equally guilty, and investigation investigation should be done. A thorough investigation should in fact be done as to how much money was exactly spent over this whole bungalow. A lot of staff quarters were in fact remade, rebuilt, renovated, and a lot of things were there done on a temporary basis, and a lot of data is in fact missing from the CAG report. The first revelation that the CAG report has also mentioned is that regarding the PWD officials who were in fact, according to BJP, were involved in a give and take relation between the Kejriwal government and them, and Kejriwal had to in fact turn a blind eye over the corruption that was done by the PWD officials on the behest of building that bungalow and giving all the permission that were required to build the bungalow that has now been dubbed as Sheesh Mahal by the opposition. Back to studio.
Right, to get to know more on this, we have Mihir Mishra, political analyst, joining us. Mihir, when we talk about that CAG report on Delhi former Chief Minister's residence in the civil lines area, the cost of renovation that went up by 4 times. We're talking about that original cost, which is supposed to be a little over 8 crores, went up to over 33 crores. And from what we're hearing is that 1.81 crore rupees was paid to consultants alone. So what would you say in regard to that report that's come out, where approvals were sidestepped for higher billing? And we're talking about, the kind of money that was spent, in terms of especially the curtains, the gym. How would you respond to that?
Actually, Divya, intent is very important in politics, actually. And we all know that Delhi is, just polls are around. So timing, the timing of this calculated kind of leakage of this report, that is suspicious. Okay. And as far as we all know, 2 days ago, also Prime Minister Modi gave speech, and for 43 minutes, he constantly accused Mr. Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party convener that Sheesh Mahal, blah, 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 blah. But actually, which I can only say at this point of time, that this is a media creation and narrative, something like that. You have all the agencies, you have and we all say how blatantly this government, central government, used this all kind of tools. We still remember that, CBI remark, Supreme Court remark, private, something like that. So you see all the agencies have all the tools. You go and you inspect this thing if you think this is something like that. And Arvind Kejriwal, former Chief Minister of Delhi, he himself clarified this thing. He clearly, in a very strong rebuttal, he said, Sheesh Mahal remark, one who builds the house for 2,700 crore for himself, travels in an airplane worth 8,600, and who wears a tailor suit, talking about...
Sir, the allegations against Arvind Kejriwal is from muffler man to mansion man. Of course, when you talk about this splurging as far as this residence of the former Chief Minister is concerned, in comparison to the promises of simplicity, that is what Arvind Kejriwal speaks of. How do you justify 96 lakh rupees which was spent on curtains, 39 lakh rupees spent on kitchen equipment, and more than 18 lakhs spent on gym equipment at the residence of the former Chief Minister, who only promises of simplicity? He says he's a simple man. How does this justify this?
Same formula we should apply also on Prime Minister Modi. He was claiming that he is Chaukidar. Okay. Now, what is the kind of suits he is wearing? And opposition has same allegations against him. We should not forget that. We also know that we are just on the verge of election. Delhi is going to poll, deciding to who is going to rule Delhi next. And, since last 12 years, there is only one political party which actually worked there on the ground. As far as we all know, they are not talking about development. They are not talking about, mohalla clinics. They are not talking about schools. They are not talking about education. They are not talking about infra. They are only
Sir,
saying...
but this is Delhi's taxpayer money. The money of the Delhiites has gone into it. Of course, with the BJP, they're reacting, saying that this should now become a tourist spot because the taxpayers should come and see where their money was actually spent on. Because this kind of money, these exaggerated figures that we're talking about, for any layman who doesn't really even understand how much it costs for the services that have been provided to making of that residence, for the renovation of that residence, it's absolutely absurd and unheard of. Thank you so much for speaking with us.